How to create a landing page for CPA marketing. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page for CPA marketing. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to your CPA marketing platform, any platform that you are using. I use CPA Grip for my CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? Well, it's a cost per action marketing that we do, a very high ticket affiliate marketing that we do where we have different offers and we need to promote offers in order to make money because we make money, we earn our commission when we get an action on our link that we share, on our offer that we have. So in order to promote our offers that we're getting with CPA, we need to have a landing page. So that's the confusing part for a lot of people, and then they don't know how to create a landing page, a very easy for free landing page to promote their offers. So that's what I will show you today. First of all, we need an offer to create a landing page for. So I have opened up my cpagrip.com. So I'm just going to straight get into it. I'm going to scroll down to check out an offer that is better for me. We can kind of like go to the offers right here. So I have opened up the offer tools right here, and we're gonna go to my offers. And in my offers, what I do is I kind of like go for US so that I can get the best offers that are available. So here we can find the right offer for ourselves. I think this one is pretty good. Act now to get a 750 PayPal gift card. So I'm gonna use this one. This is an offer that we are giving, and the payout is going to be $2.05. Pretty good payout that we have. So now we have this link right here that I will copy, and I need to get views on this one. I need to get clicks and leads from this link that we have. This is the offer. So we have 750 PayPal gift card. Okay, I got it. So we need to create a landing page for that. So what other site we can use instead of Google Sites, because it's for free and it allows us to create a very high quality professional landing page. As a complete beginner, you will have no idea what is Google Sites. Well, you can simply go to your Google and you can search for Google Sites right here in the search bar, and it will take you to an app which is by Google, and it allows us to create a website. So you will get right here, this is exactly what it looks like. You're going to click on blank here and it will take you to your editor, and you will be able to create a brand new website. Okay, so this is going to be our landing page. We will create like one page here, and it gives us our own link that we can share. Because we cannot promote our link directly, but we can promote the landing page. So that's what we will do. Within our Google site, it's actually really easy. There are already other videos on the channel on how to create a landing page on Google Sites or how to create a website. So you can see we have untitled site here. Let's call it what we have. The title for my landing page is going to be the title that I have for my offer, 750 PayPal gift card. Okay, perfect. So we're going to get right here, add the title first, which is going to be 750 PayPal gift card. So this is what it says. This is going to be the title for my landing page. Now we can enter a site title again. So this is going to be the similar one, which is going to be $750 PayPal gift card. So you can see this is the name for the website. Now we can customize our page. You can see at this side of the screen we have insert, where we have text box, images, embed, and drive. We have different content blocks that we can add. Then we have buttons, dividers, spacers, social links, YouTube, calendar, map, documents, slides, and more. Here we have pages. So we're going to go with just one page. We don't want to create a website with multiple pages. We just want one landing page. And then we have themes. So you can select a theme as well. If you don't like this one, you can maybe change the theme to this right here, this one, or we have the another theme for free. So for me, I'm going to go with this theme, but I will customize it. So the background image here, we can change the image. So click on change image and then click on upload, and you will be able to change the background, or you can also change the header type. Click on header type. We have a large banner, we have banner or title only. So maybe you can go with title only and it will look like this. Or we can also go with a banner. So the banner actually looks okay to me, so I'm going to keep this one. So I'm going to click on change image, then select, and it will take me to select a background from the library. So here in gallery, we have a lot of different options, but I'm not going to go with too much. We can just go with this simple, background. So I'm going to go with this blue here click on select and it will be added. So this is what it looks like now. Now we don't need to do a lot. I'm gonna go to the insert here and let's insert this right here. This is a content block, which is an image and the text. This one is going to be really simple one. So the text is going to be, I'm gonna actually get the text from my offer, which is act now for a gift card. So this is going to be the text here. I'm gonna copy and paste. Let's change the color. So you can see this is what it looks like, but we need an image here. So for that, what we can do is we can actually just go to Google and we can search for a PayPal gift card. Let's actually go with like the amount too, because we will be able to get an image. So I'm just going to search for a 750 gift card. So let's see what it comes up with. So you can see we have a lot of different results and we can use any of these images. What we can do is, now it totally depends on you. I think this one actually looks really good. $750 PayPal gift card reward. Let's go with this one. This one actually looks really good. So what I will do is I will just click on save and download this image, or we can create such image. If you have an issue with downloading an image from Google, what we can do is we can just go to Canva or any editor to just create an image like this. So all you need to do is just like add a PayPal, a logo like this and add the text and then just write $750 here at the top and it will create something like this. So we need an image like this to grab the attention of people so that they click on it. So let's get back to our website now. Here, I'm going to click on this plus button. We have upload option, we have select image from Drive and other. We can also select, if we click on select image, we can actually directly get images from Google. So you can just switch to Google Images and search for any image to add to your Google Sites. But we have already downloaded, so I'm just going to click on plus, click on upload and select the image from my computer. So once you have selected the image, it will be added here. Let's actually crop it a little bit because we cannot see the text. We can either add this or that. Let's go with this one. So you can see this is our image and this is what it says. Now we don't need to add a lot of text because we don't want to complicate things here. Now what you need to do is you're going to go to the insert here and we have a button. So get the button and add the name. So I'm just going to add a eye-catching title so that people click on the button. So I'm going to write get now. So here we will add the link. So all you need to do is just go to your CPA platform, copy the link will be copied and now we're going to paste it right here. So you just click on paste and the link will be added here. So once the link is added, click on insert and your new button will be added right here. Like this, I'm going to click on insert and you can see the button will be added. We can actually grab the button and place it right here in this section and you can see this is what it looks like now. Now we can adjust our text a little bit. We can change the background color, we can change the style or add an image in the background. So with the landing page, you don't need to do a much. This is actually a pretty good looking landing page here. But at the end, if you want to add like any spacers, if you want to add any dividers, you can do that. For instance, let's actually drag and drop a divider right here at the end. So I'm just going to select a divider. It will be added. We can add our social links too. We have our YouTube calendar and documents as well. Once your page is created, you can just click on the share with other option and get your private link or a public link for your page. You can also publish this page right here. Click on publish and it will be published and you will have your own landing page for your CPA marketing offer. This is how I create my landing pages, which is a very simple looking landing page for an offer that I have for CPA Grip. This way you will be able to promote your offers, get different clicks on it and make money. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.